Stop excuses now. The truth that will change your life. The silent enemy inside you. Every dream starts small. A quiet wish, a simple hope. You want a better life. You want more confidence, more money, more freedom. But something stops you. It is not the world. It is not your family. It is not bad luck. It is your excuses. Excuses sound soft. They sound reasonable. They sound safe. I will start tomorrow. I am too tired today. I am not ready yet. I do not have time. These words feel harmless, but they are dangerous. They slowly kill your dreams. Excuses do not scream. They whisper. They whisper when you wake up. They whisper when things get hard. They whisper when you feel afraid. They tell you to wait. They tell you to stay comfortable. They tell you to stay the same. And day by day, nothing changes. Look at your life right now. Be honest. Where are you stuck? What are you avoiding? What dream have you delayed for years? Most people know what they should do. They know they should study. They know they should work harder. They know they should take care of their body. But knowing is not enough. Action changes life. Excuses stop action. Every excuse has a cost. The cost is time. The cost is energy. The cost is belief in yourself. Time never comes back. Energy becomes weaker. Belief slowly disappears. At first, excuses feel good. They protect your ego. They protect you from fear. But later, they bring regret. Regret is heavy. Regret stays long. You see others move forward. You stay behind. You start to think you are not good enough. But the truth is simple. You did not fail. You just did not act. Successful people are not special. They feel fear too. They feel tired too. They feel doubt too. The difference is clear. They act anyway. They do not wait for motivation. They do not wait for the perfect moment. They move before they feel ready. Most people wait to feel confident. Winners build confidence by action. Confidence comes after action, not before. Every small action sends a message to your brain. I can do this. Every excuse sends a different message. I am weak. Your brain believes what you repeat. If you repeat excuses, you become smaller. If you repeat action, you become stronger. Life does not change in one big moment. Life changes in small decisions. One decision in the morning, one decision at night. Do I act or do I excuse? This choice defines your future. Right now, your future is watching you. It is waiting for your next move. Not tomorrow, not next week, now. Stop telling yourself stories. Stop explaining why you cannot start. You do not need more time. You do not need more luck. You do not need more talent. You need courage. Courage is not loud. Courage is quiet. It is the decision to try, even when you are afraid. Fear will not disappear, but you can move with fear. Dreams do not die from failure. They die from delay. Every day you delay, your dream becomes weaker. Every day you act, your dream becomes clearer. You are closer than you think, but only if you stop excusing. This is the truth. It is simple, it is uncomfortable, and it can change your life. Part 2. How excuses are created and how to break them. Excuses are not born by accident. They are created inside your mind. Your brain loves safety. It loves comfort. It hates pain and risk. When you try something new, your brain feels danger, even if the danger is not real. So your brain protects you. It creates excuses. This is normal. This is human. The problem starts when you believe those excuses. Your mind says, this is not the right time. You should wait. Others are better than you. These thoughts feel real, but they are not facts. They are fear in disguise. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of looking stupid. Most people are not lazy. They are afraid. Fear tells you a lie. It tells you that pain now is worse than pain later. But pain later is heavier. Pain now is short. Pain later lasts for years. Excuses grow stronger when you repeat them, just like muscles grow with use. The more you excuse, the easier it becomes. The more you act, the stronger you become. Your habits shape your identity. If you excuse daily, you become an excuser. If you act daily, you become a doer. You cannot change your life without changing your identity. You must see yourself differently, not as someone who waits, but as someone who moves. Excuses also come from your environment. People around you matter. If people complain all day, you learn to complain. If people blame others, you learn to blame. Negativity is contagious. So is courage. If you stay in small thinking, you stay small. If you stay with growth, you grow. Look at your circle. Are they building or breaking? Your phone also creates excuses. Endless scrolling, endless videos, endless distractions. They steal your focus. They steal your time. Time is your most valuable asset. Once it is gone forever. Every minute you waste is a minute of your life. This truth is hard, but it is real. Now the question is simple. How do you break excuses? You do not fight them with motivation. Motivation comes and goes. You fight excuses with systems, simple systems, clear rules. Rule 1. Lower the bar. Do not aim for perfect. Aim for started. 5 minutes is enough. 1 page is enough. 1 small step is enough. Action creates momentum. Momentum kills excuses. Rule 2. Decide in advance. Do not ask yourself every day, should I do this? Decide once, then follow the plan. Decision saves energy. Rule 3. Change your language. Stop saying, I try. Say, I do. Words shape identity. Rule 4. Remove friction. Make good actions easy. Make bad actions hard. Put your book on the table. Put your phone far away. Environment beats willpower. Rule 5. Track your actions. Not your feelings, not your results, just your actions. Did you show up today? Yes or no? Progress is built on showing up. Some days will feel heavy. Some days will feel boring. This is normal. Success is not exciting most days. Success is repetition. When excuses come, do not fight them. Just act anyway. Action does not need belief. Belief follows action. Every time you act, you win, even if the result is small. Small wins build confidence. Confidence builds identity. Identity changes life. You do not need to change everything today. You only need to change one thing. Stop negotiating with your excuses. They will always ask for more time. They will never be satisfied. You must lead your mind, not follow it.
You are stronger than your thoughts. You are bigger than your fear. This is how excuses are broken, not with force, but with consistency. And once excuses lose power, your life starts to move fast. Part 3. Becoming a person who never goes back to excuses. There is a moment in life when something shifts, not outside, inside. It is the moment you stop running, the moment you stop hiding. You see the truth clearly. No one is coming to save you. This truth is not scary, it is powerful. Because if no one will save you, you are free to save yourself. From this moment, your life is in your hands. You stop asking for permission. You stop waiting for approval. You take ownership. Ownership is the key. When something fails, you do not blame, you learn. When something hurts, you do not quit, you grow. This is the mindset of people who win. They do not avoid responsibility, they accept it fully. Excuses cannot survive in ownership. Every day, life gives you a choice: be the victim or be the leader. Victims explain, leaders decide. Leaders do not have more time, they use time better. Leaders do not have less fear, they act with fear. Your identity must change, not tomorrow, now.
Stop saying, I want to be. Start saying, I am. I am a person who shows up. I am a person who acts. I am a person who finishes. Your brain listens to your identity. When you see yourself as disciplined, discipline becomes natural. When you see yourself as strong, strength becomes normal. You must protect this new identity. Old habits will try to return. Old excuses will knock again. This is normal, but now you are different. You do not argue with excuses. You do not explain. You move. Movement is your answer. Some days you will move slowly. That is fine. Slow is better than stopped. Consistency beats intensity. One action every day, no matter how small. This builds trust with yourself. Self-trust is rare, and it is powerful. When you trust yourself, you stop doubting. When you stop doubting, you move faster. Life starts to change quietly. People notice. Opportunities appear. Not because of luck, because you are ready. You stop wishing for a better life. You start creating it. You stop watching others win. You become the example. Your past no longer controls you. Your future no longer scares you. You live in action. One day you will look back. You will remember the fear, the doubt, the excuses, and you will smile because they no longer own you. Your dreams are not too big. You were just too hesitant. Now you are different. You choose effort over comfort, truth over lies, action over excuses. This is not motivation. This is a decision you make every day. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can today, not later. Your future is built now, in this moment. Stand up. Take one step, then another. This is how lives are changed. This is how dreams survive. Stop excuses now and watch your life transform. If this video inspired you or helped you learn something new, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Motivation to Study English for 30 minutes every day. Your support is the energy that keeps us creating better and more meaningful videos every single day.